Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati. Yoga for gastric problem. Yoga is the best way to cure acidity. Recommended by doctors also. Yoga helps to increase circulation in your stomach and intestine and improve your digestive system also. So let's do some yoga to cure acidity. We are going to do 5 asana today for acidity. It's very easy and very simple. So we'll start. First very important asana is Vajra Asana. We are going to sit in Vajra Asana. Vajra Asana help to improve your digestive system. This is really good. It stimulates your nervous system also. It is very good for your brain also. So please sit in Vajra Asana. Chin up, look up. This is very important asana for the neck pain also. So this is the first asana. Now we are going to do second asana. Second asana is also very good asana. This asana we call Pavan Mukha Asana. It is very good asana. It releases all the gases from your stomach. So very easy. Now hold. Relax. Third asana is very easy asana. This we call Meru Dandasana. Bend your legs, straighten your hand, shoulder level, stretch and look right side. Again stretch. Very slowly come up. Fourth asana is also very good asana, Makarasana. We'll do it. Lie down on your stomach. Just lie down on your stomach. Okay. I called it after dinner. After your food, you can do this asana. This is the best asana. It will help you to release accumulated fat also. So it's very easy. We'll do it. Just relax. Fifth asana, Salabhasana. Legs, straighten your hands, look straight. Just relax again. Okay, come on. These 5 asanas are very good for the gastric problem. And also drink a lot of water. Water is very important. Our body is made from water itself, 80% made from water itself. So try to drink a lot of water. It will help you to clear all the bad toxins from your body. And have a good meal, good nutrition. We promote vegetarian food. We yogis are all sattvic. So we also suggest and recommend for sattvic food. And take care of yourself. We will come again. Thank you.